All right, language explorers. So let's look at English pangrams. So some sentences have all the letters in them. So saying them can help you practice your pronunciation. The quick brown fox. The quick brown fox. There we are. Jumps over the lazy dog. There we are. Lazy dog. Yes. So that sentence has every single letter in the alphabet in it. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. How cool is that? The 5 boxing wizards jump quickly. Okay. Here we are. The 5 boxing wizards jump quickly. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Pack my box with 5 dozen liqueur jugs. Box? Jugs? Let's have a look. Box. Yeah. Pack my box with 5 dozen liqueur jugs. Okay. Here we are. Jug, more or less. Yeah. A jug. Yeah. How cool is that? So again, some sentences have all the letters in them. A, E, I, O, U, the vowels and all the consonants. So, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The 5 boxing wizards jump quickly. Pack my box with 5 dozen liqueur jugs. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? And these sentences are used to practice your pronunciation. Let's keep exploring.